Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can disassemble the Corsair K55 keyboard and fix the sticky keys on your keyboard. So here I have removed most of the keys already. They are quite straightforward to remove the keys. You just need to pull up on the key and pull out like that, and that should come off. So that is quite straightforward to do. You just need to remove all the keys on your keyboard. Now, as I said, there are lots of keys and I have removed them already. This is what it looks like. Alright, if you turn to the back, there are screws that we need to remove. Okay, all of the screws are of the same size. Again, I have removed them already. Now you can see there are all these holes here that you need to remove the screws. And it's quite a lot of them. You need to remove all of the screws around the keyboard, around the bottom edge as well. Just run along and remove a screws with a Phillips screwdrivers. So here you can see we have removed all the screws on this Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. Now if you remove all the screws, you should be able to remove this top part right here. Now what you may not notice is that at the back here there is also one screw here that you actually need to either peel out the sticker or you need to poke through the hole right here. Now if you go to the front, you can see there is one screws beneath the membrane, so we actually need to remove the screws here. Otherwise, when you try to open your keyboard, it will kind of like seem open on the edge, but it's still somehow stuck in the middle. And so make sure that you also remove the keys, the screw at the center here. Now, as you can see, there is one more screw that we need to take off. It is hidden in the stickers, that's why sometimes we don't actually see it. Alright, so here it is. We have now taken off, and after that we can give the membrane board a good clean. So if you got Coke or soda drinks spilled on this, you need to give it a good clean. You can actually remove the membrane. It's very soft, so just be gentle and then take it out of the garden hole. There's a garden slot right here. You just need to take it out and give it a good clean. Now you can use a toothbrush or you can use a vacuum cleaner to suck off the dust. Now I prefer not to put water onto this top part here. It's plastic, but after all, water always cause issues with electronics parts. So maybe just use a vacuum cleaner and a toothbrush and clean off the dust. Okay, so after you have given it a good clean, then it's time to put the membrane back onto your keyboard. Alright, so I'm going to put the top pack down and make sure you squeeze them in, and then after that you can put the screw back on and then put all the keys back and you should be good to go.